Every project is a little bit different, but we can start to talk to you a little bit about just what the preparation leading up to construction looks like.
So for this particular build, I think the clients were really surprised to learn that even when building in kind of a remote rural area, that prior to this project starting, we came in, we did all the road preparation, we built the road up to the site. We helped bring in and kind of manage the relationship with utility companies and to get utilities brought into this site. We dug in the septic system, also did a private well, which was interesting. We ended up finding pretty poor water at a pretty deep depth, so we were kind of at the point of no return, at which point we worked with the client and found a really robust water purification system so that they had perfectly clear water here as well. This site also has geothermal, so we have to dig independent wells for those as well. So I think the client was really excited to find out that not only were we able to build in a rural location when they were also kind of remote from this site, but also that we were willing to just handle all those pieces of construction for them and make sure that everything was ready to go for this build.